When it comes to choosing a therapy horse, there's a lot of things that you want to keep in mind. You want to make sure that they're not overtrained because you're going to lose a little bit of the spontaneity in their interactions. And you also want to make sure that they are really able to engage with other horses and with people. So if you have a horse that's super aggressive, it's not going to be a good fit. If you have a horse that's super passive, that's going to give you a lot more information without putting the people at risk. And then in terms of the breed, we have everything here from really small quarter horses to Clydesdales that are a ton each, and they come in at 18 hands. I think one of the coolest parts about the relationships that people build with horses is that there's this sort of mutual picking of each other. So the person will resonate with one of the horses potentially more than the others, or even a couple of horses, and we'll notice that those horses will have a response to that. We also notice that there'll be horses that will come right up to them and say, pick me, it's gonna be me, and we'll honor that too. And a lot of the times it's this really organic coming together, which is really, really beautiful to see.
I think they're very sensitive to where I am at that moment. So, like every day is a different day. I think they're very present in what is present with me at the moment.
When somebody would come to participate in one of our programs, they're going to show up hopefully with a bit of an open mind and really excited to participate in a really transformative and healing experience. And when they come, we're not necessarily going to throw them right in with the herd, because that can be really overwhelming. We might start with some observation work. We might start just looking at the herd and noticing what their behaviors are, whether they're moving, whether there's stillness. We might notice if there's one that stands out more than the others, or if there's any that resonates with you and in what particular ways. And then from the observation, we're going to move into grooming exercises, groundwork. We're going to build some obstacle courses, and we're going to structure some interventions to make sure that it's a good fit for the awarenesses that you're looking for, the skills that you're trying to integrate, and for the goals that you have brought with you when you come. I think that everybody who comes here has some form of successful encounter, because equine assisted therapy is really one of the only therapeutic models where you get that awareness, and then you get to try some new skills, you get the feedback about it, and then you get to have this real successful application of it. So you get the awareness, the application, and the integration all in a single session, which then you can take outside of the barn and then build on it and come back for the next level.